In this video, we are going to learn the tricks how to find out LCM of any given numbers within 5 seconds. So, we will going to use how to find out the LCM of given numbers within 5 seconds. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to Vedic maths. On my channel, you can find the tricks by using Vedic maths for multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's start our today's topic, which is how to find out LCM of any numbers given within few seconds, right? So let us first understand that what is the meaning of LCM. We are going to use the same meaning for finding the LCM, right? So LCM of any two numbers or any numbers is what LCM means, lowest common multiple. So what is it? Lowest common multiple. Okay, so the multiple, the number which is common for all the given numbers. The number should be lowest, it should be common for all the numbers, and it should be a multiple of all the numbers. So that means we have to find out such multiple or such number which is common for all and is of lowest value. So let us try to find out. So in the classes, in the junior classes, how we have done it, that if I have to find out the LCM of 2, 4, 8 and 16, what I will do, I will divide all the equation by 2 first. 2, 1, 2, 2 and 4. I will divide it until and unless I will get that 1 in all. Okay, so now these all 4, when I will multiply these all 4s, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it will give me 16. So 16 is going to be my lowest common factor. So you can see very clearly that 16 is divisible by 2, 16 is divisible by 4, 16 is divisible by 8 and 16 is divisible by 16. No other value lower than 16 is possible. Bigger than 16 is possible, but no other value lower than 16 is possible which can be divisible by all these 4 values, right? So let us start to use this trick, that we have to find out a number which is the lowest number which is divisible by all of these 4 numbers, right? So use that trick to find out that trick. What we will do, we will first take our bigger number. Okay, let us take this bigger number first and check that if this bigger number is divisible by all the numbers. 16 is divisible by 2, yes. 16 is divisible by 4, yes. 16 is also divisible by 8 and also 16 is divisible by 16. 16 is actually completely divisible by all these numbers. So my LCM is going to be 16 only. Okay. So moving to the next problem, which is 2, 3, 7 and 21. So what is my bigger number? My bigger number is 21 in all of these numbers. So check it out if 21 is divisible by all of these numbers or not. If 21 is divisible by 2, no. So I have to convert this number in such a way that it is also divisible by 2. So how I can do that? If I will multiply my number by 2, then it will become 42, because I have to make it divisible by 2. So to make it divisible by 2, my last digit should be even. So the lowest value by using which value it can be even is 2. So 21 into 2 will become 42. Now check that 42 is divisible by 2. 42 is also divisible by 3. And 42 is also divisible by 7. So that means my LCM will be equal to 42. Okay. So coming to the next is what? 8, 12 and 18. So my biggest number, my bigger number is what? My bigger number is 18. Okay. So check it out that if 18 is divisible by 8 or not. No, 18 is not divisible by 8. So what I can do, I have to convert my 18 such that it becomes divisible by 8. So what can be the common value for both of them? 18 into 1 if I will do, then it will become 18. 18 into 2 if I will do, then it will become 36. No, 36 is again not divisible by 8. So let's try with another value. 18 into 3 is 54. 54 is again not divisible by 8. So check it out with 18 into 4, which is equal to 72. So now this is divisible by 8. So if you will do practice, then you will be able to find out it directly that the common number with which this will be divisible, it will be 72. Okay, so this is 72. Now check that 72 is divisible by 12 also. Yes, 72 is also divisible by 12. So my LCM is going to be 72 only. Okay, or I can give you one more trick, that you can do factors of 8 as 2 into 2 into 4, right? 2 into 2 into 4 factors you can write down such like that, right? So now if you will multiply your 18 with 2, what you will get? You will get 36. So 36 is not divisible by 8, so you can skip by multiplying by 2 and directly try multiplying it by 4, which will give you 72. So by using this, you will be able to eliminate your most of the values. Okay, so you need to just directly check with 2 and 4. Okay, so moving to the next question. The bigger number is what? Bigger number is 40. Okay, so now check that 40 is divisible by 10. Yes. 40 is divisible by 2. 20. Yes. 40 is divisible by 30. No, 40 is not divisible by 30. So if I will do for 10 into 3, if I will write down like this, 10 into 3 as factors, then if I will take my smaller number first, okay, so or simply 2 into 5 into 3, I can write down like this. Okay, so first take your smaller number, smaller factor, which is 2. So if you will do 40 into 2 is equal to 80. Again it is not divisible by 30, right? Now take your another next bigger number. 40 into 3 will be 120. So 120 is divisible by 30, and if you will do 40 into 5 like that, it's not needed. Just I am doing to tell you, no need to check it with 40 into 5 because you have got your value which is divisible by 30. Okay, so just for your telling that 40 into 5 is 200. So 200 is not again divisible by 30. So your number will become 120. So check out again once for the cross check that if this is divisible by all the numbers or not. So 120 is divisible by 10. 120 is also divisible by 20. 120 is also divisible by 30, and 120 is also divisible by 40. So LCM is going to be equal to 120. Okay, now moving to next fifth question, which is 8, 11 and 16. So 16 is my bigger number. Okay, so 16 is divisible by 8. Yes, but 16 is not divisible by 11. So this time my factors of 11 are going to be 11 into 1 only. So with which number you are going to multiply? You have to multiply your number directly by 11. Okay, and in my earlier videos I have told that how to do fast multiplication of any general numbers. So what you will get here? You will get 176, right? So remember one thing, once you have done multiplication of your bigger number with any other number, so check out that the resulting number is divisible by all the numbers from the starting or not. So it is divisible by 8, it is also divisible by 11, it is also divisible by 16. So that means my LCM will be equal to 176. What we are doing? We are just using the meaning of lowest common factor, lowest common multiple. Okay, means the multiple, the number which is divisible by all the numbers, right? If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to solve some more complex problems of LCM by using the same technique. So till then, take care and bye bye.